Have you ever wondered if the vast universe out there can really influence your life here on Earth? Imagine for a moment that every star in the sky, every spiral of a galaxy that you can see through a telescope, is somehow connected to you and the world around you in surprising and profound ways. Today, we're going to explore one of the most fascinating and enigmatic concepts of the cosmos, the law of correspondence, which states that as above, so below. This ancient Hermetic principle might be the key to understanding how we are incredibly interconnected with the universe. But how does this work in practice? And what does it really mean for your everyday life? Stay with us, because we're about to embark on an extraordinary journey that connects quantum physics to the forces that determine our fate. You won't want to miss this. Quantum physics is a branch of science that studies phenomena occurring at the smallest scales of the universe, usually at the atomic and subatomic levels. To fully understand this field, it's vital to familiarize yourself with some key concepts that not only shape our understanding of the microcosm, but also challenge our perception of reality. Expanded quantum superposition. The principle of quantum superposition is a cornerstone of quantum mechanics. It posits that particles like electrons or photons can exist in multiple states at once. This phenomenon is more than just a theoretical curiosity. It is fundamental to the operation of advanced technologies, such as quantum computers. These devices leverage superposition to perform calculations at an exponentially faster rate than traditional computers. For example, while a coin in the air is simultaneously seen as heads and tails, an electron in superposition can be in multiple positions at the same time, a state that is only resolved when we perform a direct measurement or observation. Detailed quantum entanglement. Quantum entanglement is another intriguing phenomenon that defies common sense. When two particles become entangled, the state of one particle becomes dependent on the state of the other, regardless of the distance between them. This can occur even if the particles are separated by vast distances, such as from one side of the universe to the other. This phenomenon has profound implications for communication and cryptography, as it allows for the theoretically secure and instantaneous transmission of information, a concept known as quantum teleportation. In-depth double-slit experiment. This classic experiment demonstrates the wave-particle duality of light and matter, a concept suggesting that particles can behave both as particles and as waves. In the experiment, individual particles, such as photons or electrons, are fired towards a barrier with two slits. Surprisingly, even when fired one at a time, the particles form a wave-like interference pattern on the detector behind the slits. This indicates that each particle passes through both slits simultaneously, behaving like a wave. Even more intriguingly, if we attempt to observe which slit the particle passes through, the interference pattern disappears, and it behaves like a particle. This phenomenon highlights the influence of observation on physical reality, a fundamental and mysterious principle of quantum physics. Cutting-edge quantum physics research. These concepts are at the heart of innovative research aimed at unraveling the mysteries of the universe and developing new technologies. Exploring these phenomena could, in the future, revolutionize our technology, enabling advancements from extremely fast computers to completely secure communication systems, marking a new era in human interaction with technology and the universe. As we advance in understanding the fundamental concepts of quantum physics, researchers are exploring innovative ways to connect these principles with human consciousness and the impact it can have on material reality. Let's look in detail at how recent studies are addressing this fascinating intersection. The Institute of Noetic Sciences is a pioneering organization that investigates potential connections between the human mind and the physical world. One of their most notable studies involves using random number generator devices to examine whether human intention can influence outcomes that should be completely unpredictable. The results of these studies suggest that the mind may have a subtle yet measurable effect on physical processes. This field of study opens up the possibility that our thoughts and intentions might shape our reality in ways that transcend traditional understandings of cause and effect. Visualization of interconnected energies. Kirlian photography is a method some believe can capture the auras or energy fields around living beings. Although this technique is often shrouded in controversy, mainly due to a lack of robust scientific evidence supporting it, It is used by some as a way to explore the energetic interaction between different life forms. Proponents argue this technique can visualize an energy spectrum that humans and other organisms emit, which is normally invisible to the human eye. Such images are interpreted by some as a physical manifestation of the energetic connections we all share, suggesting there are forms of energy and interaction not yet fully understood by traditional science. Exploring these areas is not merely theoretical, but has significant practical implications. If consciousness can indeed influence matter in a quantifiable way, it could revolutionize our approach in fields like medicine, psychology, and even technology. For example, techniques that use the power of thought to heal or change physical states could become an integral part of medical practices. Moreover, understanding how our intentions and thoughts influence the environment around us could lead to new forms of interaction with technological devices, expanding the field of assistive technology and human-computer interaction. These researches represent the frontier of modern science, challenging our conventional notions of reality and offering a glimpse into a world where the mind and matter are more deeply connected than we ever imagined. Practical applications of quantum physics. Principles in everyday life. The principles of quantum physics have found surprising applications outside the lab, influencing various areas of everyday life. Let's explore how these concepts are being integrated into practices that affect physical, mental, and emotional health. Holistic medicine and the influence of quantum physics. In holistic medicine, the treatment approach is deeply integrative, focusing not only on relieving physical symptoms, but also on balancing the emotional and spiritual well-being of the patient. Using concepts of quantum physics, practitioners of this medicine argue that a person's health status is the result of the interaction between their physical conditions and their emotional and spiritual experiences. In this context, techniques that alter perception and intention, such as energy healing, are applied with the goal of restoring health by influencing both the physical body and the quantum states believed to be related to the patient's consciousness. The practice of meditation and visualization techniques are examples of how consciousness can be used to positively affect physical reality. Studies have shown that regular meditation can lead to structural changes in the brain, including increased gray matter density in areas associated with emotional control and attention. Such practices are seen not only as a means to achieve mental tranquility, but also have direct implications for physical health, helping to reduce stress, improve immune function, and promote an overall state of well-being. Challenges and critical perspectives. Despite their promising applications, the incorporation of quantum concepts into fields such as holistic medicine and meditation techniques faces criticism and skepticism, especially from the conventional scientific community. One of the main challenges is the lack of extensive and controlled studies that effectively prove the efficacy of these approaches beyond the placebo effect. Moreover, the complexity and, at times, the misinterpretation of quantum principles can lead to misunderstandings about how these techniques actually work and their potential benefits. As we delve into the intriguing concepts of quantum physics and its possible applications, it is crucial to adopt a critical and mindful approach. The fascination with quantum physics is understandable, given its enigmatic nature and its intuition-challenging implications. But this complexity can also lead to erroneous interpretations. It's crucial to maintain a balance between curiosity and skepticism. As we explore how quantum physics can be applied to fields beyond pure physics, such as psychology or spirituality, we must continually question the validity and accuracy of the claims made. This healthy skepticism helps us distinguish between scientifically evidence-based theories and speculations that lack empirical support. One of the greatest challenges in applying quantum concepts to other domains is the risk of oversimplification. Concepts like quantum entanglement and superposition are often used outside their original scientific context, sometimes in ways that distort their true scientific meaning. It's essential to understand that while quantum physics provides valuable insights into the workings of the universe on minuscule scales, its laws are not necessarily applicable in a straightforward manner to phenomena on larger scales or to aspects of human experience, such as consciousness and mental health. I hope this video has inspired you to reflect on these intriguing concepts and to consider how they can be applied in your own life for a deeper understanding of the world around you. If you enjoyed the content and want to continue exploring these fascinating ideas with us, don't forget to subscribe, share this video with friends, and leave your comment below. Your participation is very important to us and helps enrich our community. See you next time.